Hello viewers, how are you? Today I will show you a tally add-on that can lock voucher entry without narration. That means users cannot save a sale entry without narration. Now in current time, this customization is very popular. First of all, you need to active this features from add-on features option. Now I am create a sale entry. Here you can see this error message, narration could not blank. You cannot save this voucher without narration. Now I'm type some text in narration part and my voucher was saved successfully. You can see my voucher here. Thank you for watching this video. For any tally related add-on you can call us on below numbers.